Quick question. If someone says, "Excuse me, where is the dairy aisle?" Do you understand? If you said, what? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you will understand 20 new English words from a real supermarket story.
Hi, I'm Zoey. I want to go to the supermarket.
Welcome to Listen and Learn English, the channel where you listen to stories and learn real English step by step. I am Anna. I am your English guide today, and this little superstar next to me.
I am Zoey. I am 6 years old.
Zoey is learning English just like you. So today, we are going to the supermarket together. Before we start, smash that subscribe button so you never miss a new English story. Ready? Let's go. Okay, let me ask you something honest. Have you ever walked into a supermarket in an English-speaking country or watched an English video about shopping and thought, "I don't understand anything"?
Yes. Sometimes Anna says a word, and I say, "What does that mean?"
Exactly, Zoey, and that is totally okay. Most English beginners feel this way. The problem is, nobody teaches you the real words that people use in a real supermarket. Schools teach you apple, banana, water. But real life says aisle, receipt, checkout, discount, cashier. These are the words you actually hear and need. And today, we fix that. Imagine this. You go to the supermarket. The cashier says, "Do you have a loyalty card?" You don't know this word. You feel nervous. You just say, "No, sorry," and you walk away.
That sounds scary, Anna.
It is scary, Zoey, and it happens to millions of English learners every day. But here is the good news. One story, 20 words, and you will feel so much more confident at any supermarket. Are you ready? Tell me in the comments, have you ever felt confused at a supermarket? Write yes or no below. Okay, here is our story for today. It is called Anna and Zoey Go to the Supermarket.
Yay! I love the supermarket!
Before we start the story, let me show you the 20 words we will learn today. Listen carefully. I will say each word slowly. Number 1. Supermarket. Number 2. Shopping cart. Number 3. Aisle. Number 4. Shelf. Number 5. Fresh. Number 6. Frozen. Number 7. Organic. Number 8. Discount. Number 9. Price tag. Number 10. Checkout. Number 11. Cashier. Number 12. Receipt. Number 13. Bag. Number 14. Reusable. Number 15. Out of stock. Number 16. Produce section. Number 17. Dairy. Number 18. Snack. Number 19. Total. Number 20. Change. Great. Now let's hear these words inside a real story. One Saturday morning, Anna and Zoey went to the supermarket.
Anna, can I push the shopping cart? Please, please, please.
Of course, Zoe. But hold it carefully, okay?
Oops.
First, let's go to the produce section.
Wow, these vegetables look so fresh.
Yes, and look, Zoe, these apples are organic.
Organic? What does that mean, Anna?
It means the farmer did not use chemicals. It is very healthy. These usually cost a little more money.
Oh, okay. Let's get them.
Now, let's walk down the aisle to find the bread.
Wow, the shelf is so high. I can't reach.
I'll get it, Zoe. Don't worry.
Anna, look! Discount! What is discount?
A discount means the price is lower than normal. It's cheaper today.
So it's like cheaper? I love discount!
Everyone loves a discount, Zoe. Okay, now let's check the price tag on this juice.
It says $3.50.
Perfect reading, Zoe. But wait, look at the frozen juice. That one is cheaper.
Frozen means it is cold? Like ice?
Exactly, like ice. We keep frozen food in the freezer at home. Now, we need milk. Let's go to the dairy section.
Dairy. Is that where the milk lives?
Yes, Zoe, that's where the milk lives.
Psst, Anna, can we get this snack?
Zoe, were you hiding that?
No, maybe. Yes.
Okay, one snack, but only one.
Yes! Thank you, Anna.
I wanted to buy this pasta. But look, the shelf is empty.
Why is it empty?
It is out of stock. That means the store does not have it anymore.
Oh no! So we can't buy it today?
Not today. We will come back next time. Oh, before we go to checkout, let's grab a reusable bag.
Reusable? Does that mean we can use it many times?
Yes, exactly. We bring it every time we go shopping. It's good for the environment.
I love the earth. Let's use the reusable bag.
Okay, we have everything. Let's go to the checkout. Hi, hello. Hello, did you find everything okay? Yes, thank you.
Anna, what is that person called?
She is the cashier. She helps people pay. Your total is $14.20. The total is $14.20. That means all our shopping costs $14.20.
Got it.
Here is $15 and here is your change, 80 cents. And your receipt.
Anna, what is that paper?
That is the receipt. It shows everything we bought and how much we paid.
Oh, like a shopping list, but after we shop.
Yes, Zoe, exactly like that. You're so smart.
I learned so many words today. I am a supermarket expert now.
Now let's review all 20 words together. I will say the word. You say it out loud with me. 1. Supermarket. A big store for food and products. 2. Shopping cart. A basket on wheels. 3. Aisle. A long passage between shelves. 4. Shelf. A flat surface that holds products. 5. Fresh. Recently made or picked. 6. Frozen. Kept very cold to preserve. 7. Organic. Grown without chemicals. 8. Discount. A lower price. 9. Price tag. A label showing the cost. 10. Checkout. Where you pay. 11. Cashier. The person who takes your payment. 12. Receipt. A paper showing your purchase. 13. Bag. Used to carry your shopping. 14. Reusable. Used again and again. 15. Out of stock. Not available in the store. 16. Produce section. The area for fruits and vegetables. 17. Dairy. Milk-based products. 18. Snack. A small food between meals. 19. Total. The full price you pay. 20. Change. Money returned to you. Amazing! You learned 20 real English words today. Give yourself a big clap.
Clap, clap, clap! You did it! We did it!
Okay, time for a quick quiz. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1. Listen carefully. You go to the store. The shelf is empty. The sign says, "Sorry, we are blank of blank." What are the missing words?
Ooh, I know. Is it out of stock?
Yes, out of stock. Great job, Zoe. Question 2. What do we call the person at the checkout who takes your money?
I know this one too. It's the cashier.
Perfect. You are all getting so good at English. Now you, write your answer in the comments below. Tell me, which of today's 20 words was new for you? Write it below, right now. Thank you so much for watching today's story with us on Listen and Learn English. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other English learners find this video too.
And subscribe! Press the red button. We have new stories every week.
We teach English through stories. Easy, fun, and perfect for beginners. If you want more, click the video on your screen right now. It is another great story for you. And remember, write in the comments which word was new for you today. I read every single comment.
Anna reads all the comments?
Every single one, Zoe.
Then I will comment too. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.
See you in the next story. Keep listening keep learning, and keep growing your English. Bye!